Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make coupling by SolidWorks wall and learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and click New, click Part and click OK. Now go to front plane and sketch. Now draw the circle from origin. Now give the dimension this circle 100. Now go to again draw the another circle here from origin. Now give the dimension this circle 50. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now give the dimension below extrude 50. Now go to isometric view. Now select this edge chamfer 3 and 45 degree and this line chamfer 2 and 45. Okay. Now here extrude boss 40 is enough. 0 is. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle here. This point rectangular draw. Give the below 10 and this line below 10. Okay. Now this point control this line vertical. Now go to isometric view and feature and extrude cut through all. Okay. Now go to circular pattern select this circle select this is and this box select cut. Okay. Now go to here plane white. This face is case. Now draw the circle here. First of all draw the center line. Now draw the circle here. Give the circle below 5. Go to feature and extrude cut through all. Okay. Now give the below 7 as 0 is 7 below. Okay. Now go to isometric view again. Now go to circular pattern. Now select this box. Select the edge and select here and select cut 4. Okay. Now go to here shaded tools. Now go to this body select part. Now color here. Now this select. Okay. Now go to here, select this face, select the color red. This is all color red. All color red. This face. Okay. Now go to again asymmetric view. All color given. This asymmetric view. This face color black. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comments box.